First go to the file and choose open. Select this paper cup image, press open. Now take the rectangle tool, select the shape option, draw a shape like this. Now right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Reduce the opacity to 50%, then hit Ctrl T for transform options, right click and choose perspective. Now adjust these points like this. Click enter. Now increase the opacity to 100%. Go to blend modes and choose linear burn. Now double click on this layer thumbnail, go to file and choose place embedded. Pick your design, hit place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image like this. Press enter, then hit Ctrl S to save. Now go to the main window. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Go to the underlying layer option, hold Alt button and break this point, adjust this point like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.